up? Back at it again. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
They turn up with me. Anybody just come for Ivany, they have to defend him, but me just not going to my super part. But any blood clot else, somebody come here.
No, I want to disagree with Mr. Triple. You see, part was he say,
me there.
You see, part was Jabba. You see, part was he say, Ivany ever come with something every month. Bro, remember say we have to make money in the dog.
Yeah, like money in the
dog. You see, so if even me come over here, so dog and cuss, bro.
Danny Hula, you drink for that.
Where you drink for? Down Hula, but listen, me not understand why Miss Triple would have said that. Everybody of them.
Who else trouble you a while ago? Who else trouble you?
Rosalie and Akeem thing with them are going.
Yeah.
That's their way of making for them income together as a team. Remember, Swiss and Rebel did do that too before they become a couple for make them money.
And Jaden and family did do it too.
Jaden have him look style where him run about him look gay things and whatever. I feel him look talking them that will make
feel money. And start with for real.
And it naturally in a fair family issue that make our money, bro. So you can't say somebody come with everybody thing. Me turn on my platform. Anybody come watch me and them do it for them own free will. We never call them. If Miss Triple turn on her live and I play a match, and my live there's some Rosalie live a go on, but me over here so with my man a fight and people find my live more entertaining, oh you feel blame me, say me I take the eyes off of Rose and them come and watch me.
And that they do with me too. Say me and Jay them mix up and make them
I've never disrespect Miss Triple, you know. If you're trying to tell me when me wrong, me will accept me wrong today. Me depend, and me I tell it as it is, because the people them tell lie in the comments. This is how it go and tell me who wrong and who right. I mean I look no right things neither. Me and Jaden I talk about Rosalie. It done and past gone. Was it 2 to 3 days ago or so? Me I scroll yesterday and me see a video with Miss Triple attack. Why me never see that video days before me and Jaden talk about Rosalie? That video, Miss Triple did that video after me and Jaden have the discussion about Rosalie. Miss Triple say, somehow no baby father don't even like you know. And somehow no, they with him man, them and him man, them in the house now and they still. And Miss Triple are go on and go on. You see the things that Miss Triple are saying, me know and me, Miss Triple are throw shade for. You see when me see the screen record, me still never come live the morning and say nothing. That was yesterday. Me come live and me a clear up the ears and me never did that this Rose. And people are try push me and panic say, oh Triple a chat you. And me say, you know what me turn to them and say, Rosalie and Triple a throw shade, they didn't call my name. That's what I said first. They didn't call my name, so me now go answer them. Later down in the night now, me go see Rose at class, me see it for myself on a record, and me end up on some more screen record with Miss Triple. And I so come, me start call Miss Triple name last night now, and me say, Miss Triple, you see all you? Me see her throw shades off of me now. But guess what go on, me now go answer you, me go wait till me see how the fish fry, me confront you about the shades in where you throw. Me I scroll now. To them in the whole life, when I come off now for deal with me or something what me I do now. Me I scroll through the TikTok and me see Miss Triple dip on live. I say, me hear her she say, Ivany, remember you come live and you ball over man. Me no ball over man, but you ball over man. And me chat too much and where was me when Jake said the Rosalie bad. And then she say, I can't fight, you know, I've never fight back then, so why would I fight today? And that she would fight me, but me would have feel lick left, right, and center. And Miss Triple at class, me and Miss Triple are going with herself, and up till now, I told them I start class back Miss Triple. And when I see them screen record there, me turn on my live and me just start class her. So me want Miss Triple tell me where me disrespect her. Me say me I go up front you. Jabas, how me forgot to go fish fry and say Miss Triple and go lick Miss Triple in her face.
You could do that, you're out there, man.
Me I just see me go up front Miss Triple and lick Miss Triple in her face. Me see Miss Triple as sons. Me see Miss Triple confront, sorry. Me see Miss Triple as sons on it. And me go as close as Triple so. Go hug up swiftly and move out of them section and go and go my business. Up front, and I mean, so I want to fight, and I can't come to you and say, Miss Triple, what me have? Miss Triple, why you throw shit? Miss Triple, what me do?
Confront.
And let me see, I saw me go say it.
Yeah, mix me up, girl.
I saw me go say it.
So what me I say, who else are trouble you? No.
I Triple me a talk about. But I want thing I tell her, say, You see when me reach at the fish fry and me hear say lick, just make me hear the word lick. Come and strip myself. Me I go take off my clothes. Me I go take off my clothes. And me I go take off my panty. And me I go sit down in one corner. And me go and park my big clip them and tell Miss Triple plus the bad man them and anybody where she come. Say each and wanna take a turn come lick out my pussy. Cause that's the only lick them can lick at the fish fry.
No, there's no fight on why not go on a fish fry. Fish fry is for a good cause. We don't mash it up. When I mash up the fish fry.
I'm too out about it. Ooh.
No licking now go
I was
on.
gonna hit you. I never said me I gonna put my hand on your lick. Ooh.
No licking now go on. It's
too
just.
out hard. I'm a triple hypocrite.
You wouldn't buy the ticket there, buy the ticket. No.
What do you mean? Jabas, what do you mean no licking now go on? I go there now.
Well, you can go and lick and lick where you want to lick, but me say no fighting now go on over there. I know hypocrite, but me no fighting go on at the
hypocrite. Cause she said when everything go on me running night, when Jaden and Fabi did a blood clot trend, triple then at the middle. Triple Jaden and Fabi are breeze.
Vani is supposed to
listen up.
When you Jabas did in your thing, triple up in your business.
How you mean? You're supposed to run everybody something Vani. Me not say nothing wrong with that.
Bro.
Jabas, you're not listening. Triple said every time somebody a trend, me turn on my life in them business. When Jaden and him and Fabi did a trend, triple in the middle. Everybody said she a Fabi mother and she a Jaden mother. When Pasa Jaden Jabas, triple it all up in a fair business. When World Dog gets shot, triple it all up in a World Dog business till the people them a say look like a World Dog and triple a fucker. Yanni now come talk about triple up in a them business. No Akim and Jaden a trend. Every minute triple over there. Everywhere mix up the triple one with the mother and the people that we're in it. So all you want cuss me now, so every time people are, that's the difference. You run up in a them, me not run up in a them, I run on my platform and get my one selling on my platform. It's a difference.
And nothing is wrong with that van. You're supposed to go and anybody mix up over here.
Social media. Me don't feel like that to be a topic. Like people are up in a people, bro. What are we a content creator, bro? And what are we have we store them or sell?
No, me I tell you why. Jabas, Jaden, me smart, you know. Let me tell you something, Jaden, and tell me if me wrong. You see, if Jaden upon him live right now, I talk, and Jaden have 20,000 people over there. And then tomorrow now, me come on my live, and me I talk, and me go have all 12,000 people that watch me. I know where you are say and the problem, you know, is the amount of views you attract for your life, and that have blood clot mad them. Because triple now, you see if me did that talk about Rosalie, and me have 100 people that watch me, them would address me. Them would even look for me, because them I say, why she did come try and fight hype and nobody no look for her. But true, me I talk about Rosalie situation. And 8,000 people have, and 5,000 people that watch me. And that the views that triple C. And think me I take what they like from you.